Hello, AICE psychology students. Today, we'll break down the 4 core approaches you need to know: biological, cognitive, learning, and social. Each approach offers a unique lens for understanding why we think, feel, and act the way we do. We'll connect each approach to key studies from your syllabus, recapping their aim, method, and results. Along the way, I'll share practical exam tips to help you apply your knowledge. By the end, you'll have a clear map of the psychological landscape and feel ready for any exam question. Let's get started. First up, what's happening inside our bodies? Biological approach explains behavior through our brain, hormones, and genetics, leaning toward the nature side of the debate. Dement and Kleitman, 1957, linked dreaming to REM sleep, showing our dream life is tied to biological cycles. Hassett et al., 2008, found monkeys' toy preferences may be biologically driven, not just learned. Hotzel et al., 2011, used brain scans to show empathy lights up specific brain regions but raises the question, can emotions be reduced to brain activity? Exam tip: use these studies to discuss reductionism and the strengths and limits of biological explanations. The cognitive approach focuses on how we process information by our mental software. Andrade, 2010, found doodling helps concentration, but the artificial setting questions real-world relevance. Baron-Cohen et al., 2001, showed adults with autism struggle with reading emotions, highlighting cognitive differences. Pizzulo et al., 2014, revealed children are more likely to make false IDs in lineups, impacting real-world justice. Exam tip: always consider ecological validity. Do lab findings reflect real life? Learning approach says behavior is shaped by experience. Think nurture, not nature. Bandura, 1961, showed children imitate aggression they observe, proving we learn by watching others. Saavedra and Silverman, 2002, treated a boy's button phobia using learning principles, showing therapy in action. Fagan et al., 2018, applied conditioning to train elephants, highlighting learning's broad impact. The social approach focuses on how people and situations influence us. Milgram, 1963, found most people obey authority, even against their conscience. Situations matter. Piliavin et al., 1969, showed people help more when a victim appears ill, not drunk, in real-life emergencies. Perry et al., 2013, found cultural norms shape personal space, proving social context matters. Exam tip: use Milgram and Piliavin to argue that situations, not just personality, drive behavior. Good luck. Use these studies to support your arguments, not just retell them.